I've found a super simple way to make cash online. Picture earning up to $1,000 a day without having to sell anything, without needing any experience or dealing with the hassle of paid ads. All it takes is just copy-pasting some text. Seems too good to be true, right? Thanks to the latest in artificial intelligence, this is not just a dream, it's totally doable. Start with Google Trends. Just Google Trends. Hit the site, and right on the main page, you'll see what's buzzing right now. This is where you'll find all the hot topics. Pick one that grabs your attention. Next, go back to Google, look up Google News, and boom, you're on the official Google News site. This place isn't just for catching up on the news like world events, local updates, or what's happening in tech and entertainment. It's actually a goldmine for making some money. Wondering how just reading news can make you money? Let me break it down for you. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. Imagine you're making $10,000 every month, not just in your dreams, but for real. In this channel, I talk about different ways to make money online. But if you want my honest advice on how to reach $10,000 per month quickly and without spending much, then you need my 7 steps to 6-figure blueprint. I've put all my years of experience into a simple, step-by-step guide. This guide is your key to reaching that $10,000 goal. Grab your free copy from the description below. Now, resuming where I left off, Google News is sorted into different sections. If you're into tech, dive into that. Or maybe a health and fitness are more your thing. Jump into that section. Keep the hot topic you chose in mind and look for related news articles on Google News. When you find the perfect piece, grab all the text. Right-click and hit copy. But wait, you can't just paste this somewhere else. That could get you in trouble for copyright issues. We need to switch it up a bit. That's where ChatGPT comes in. I've got it set up to tweak the article to make it more interesting and unique. Let's give it a sec to do its thing. With your new article ready, you're all set to make some money. Keep this revamped content safe, because there are loads of places that'll pay for it. To get paid, just reach out to various websites. You can email them or fill out a form on their site. If you like this tip, hitting the like button really helps me out. Take eatingwell.com, for example. They focus on health and fitness and will pay $1 for every word you write. The deal is to create fresh articles using Google News and ChatGPT, all while avoiding copyright troubles. No need for fancy ads or marketing schemes. To get started, send them an email with content submission as the subject. Tell them you've got an article ready and can't wait to hear what they think. If they like your pitch, they'll get in touch to talk about payment, and you can choose how you'd like to get paid, like through PayPal or a bank transfer. Remember, Google News is always updating, so there's a never-ending chance to earn. Now, let's talk about Upwork. This site is great for finding blogging gigs. A quick Google search shows you can make anywhere from $10 to $100 or even more. The key thing to remember is to keep your articles unique for each platform. Not every submission will get the green light, but with so many opportunities, you're bound to keep the cash flowing. If you're into what you've just read, consider subscribing and turning on notifications to get more cool tips like this.